Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll talk about resources. Resources are used to store non-code assets inside your model. Things like images, icons, files, certificates, or any other supporting content that your solution needs. Instead of keeping these files outside the system or hard-coding paths, we store them as resources. This makes the solution portable, deployable, and much easier to manage. Think of resources as the system's backpack. Anything the application needs later, it carries along safely. For this demo, we'll use a very practical example. We'll create a self-signed certificate, and then upload it as a resource. We'll use the certificate later for ISV licensing demos, so this sets the foundation for upcoming videos. Let's start by creating the certificate. For test purposes, we'll create a self-signed certificate using PowerShell, exactly as recommended in Microsoft documentation. First, we create the certificate using the new self-signed certificate command. This generates a certificate on the local machine. Next, we get a reference to this newly created certificate, so we can work with it further. After that, we create a secure string password. For demo purposes, I'll use a very simple password, 1234567889. Please don't use this in real projects. This password is strong only in demos, not in real life. Now we export the private key of the certificate as a .pfx file, using the password we just created. This file contains sensitive information and should always be protected. Then we export the public key as a .ser file. This one is safe to share and is commonly used for validation and verification. I'm using the path C:\temp\certificates to store both files. At this point, our certificate is ready. We now have a private key file and a public key file. And we'll use these in upcoming licensing scenarios. Now let's move to Visual Studio. Inside our project, we create a new resource. Right-click on the project, click Add, and select Resource. This creates a container where we can upload files. Once the resource is created, we upload the certificate files into it. Let's also try by importing an image. I have few icons already downloaded. Let's import one of those images. As you can see, the image is imported, and we can use it as per requirement. Now these files are part of our model. They travel with the solution. They get deployed with the package, and they can be accessed from code when needed. This is exactly how ISV solutions store certificates, logos, and other supporting assets. No external dependencies. No missing files. Everything stays together. So to summarize, resources allow us to store and manage non-code assets inside the application. They keep solutions clean, portable, and production-ready. In this video, we created a self-signed certificate and stored it as a resource. In upcoming videos, we'll use this certificate for ISV licensing and code signing scenarios. Thanks for watching. And remember, code may run the system, but resources make it usable.